So have you given up hope on Mullen Automotive? So Mullen Automotive is a car company that had a recent downfall in its stock price, which was rumored to be intentional. But in this video, we'll be looking at why and how the price moved in the past 24 hours. So we have seen massive growth in Mullen Automotive in the past 24 hours, and we have seen stock reversals, so stock reverse split. We have seen some news about that in the Mullen Automotive industry, so we will be talking about that in this video. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and as you can see, I have pulled up coinmarket.com. We are on the Mullen Automotive graph. So if you don't know what the symbol is, the symbol of Mullen Automotive is MULN. So you can go look that up and click on this. We are currently on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, each candlestick represent 1 hour. So you can see these big green candles. So what do these candles mean? These candle means that this has huge price movements in just a matter of 2 hours. So if we calculate how much movement this had in just a matter of 2 hours, we saw more than 159% growth in Mullen Automotive in just a matter of 2 hours. Now, keep in mind, we are only looking at 2 hours of today. So, just a couple hours ago at around 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So, as you can see, had huge growth in Mullen Automotive. So, if you had, let's say, if you had $10,000 invested in Mullen, you would have had almost $26,000 total and almost $16,000 in profit if you were to invest and if you were to day trade Mullen just today, a couple hours ago. So let's look at some news that people have released on Mullen Automotive. So as you can see, if we look up some Mullen Automotive stock news articles, we can see it says Mullen stock rockets after large reverse split keeps listing hopes alive. So let's read this article real quick and let's get to know more about this reverse split stock. So as we can read the title, Mullen stock rockets after the large reverse split keeps listing hopes alive. A 1-for-100 reverse stock split took effect, booting the price well known above the Nasdaq's minimum bid requirement. So we are currently up on the Mullen stock. So Mullen is at around $14.25 right now. Earlier today we were sitting at around $7.19, and we reached the maximum today, the highest today, at around $18.77. This is just an estimate, and we have seen more than double the price in just a matter of 2 hours. Now this stock has rocketed. We can see now, as you can see, the stock has halted for volatility 8 times since the opening bell at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So it has seen some huge movements today. We are on the range of 1-for-2 to 1-for-100 on this stock. So as we can see, the Nasdaq minimum bid requirement was $1. So we can see Mullen had to surpass this requirement to stay listed on exchanges and to be an active stock. But we can see it had a pre-split low of around 8 cents on Wednesday. So it was at around 8 cents on Wednesday. But after this split, the 1-for-100 split, it is sitting at around $14.96. So we can see it is up by a huge amount, even more than the requirement, which was $1. So now it's at $14.96. But this article was 2 hours ago. So currently it is at around $14.25 USD. And we had another reverse split this year, which was a 1-for-9 split, and we had another one, a 1-for-25 in May. So we can see the stock price has been multiplied 22,500 times just this year. So if an owner had 22,500 stocks in April, they only have one share now. So they have the same value of the stock, but the stock numbers have decreased since the stock has been reverse split a couple times, and it has been multiplied almost 22,500 times, so which is a big number. And we see that it keeps having reverse split stocks to meet the Nasdaq's minimum requirement, which was $1. And we see that it hit a record low, a pre-split record low of 8 cents. So in order to meet the requirement of Nasdaq, it had to go above the price requirement. So this is why they did the split, to keep the Mullen stock up and running and to keep it in the market. Now if we look and we go back, let's analyze the graph right here. So let's switch to the 5-minute time frame. So as you can see, continuous green candles, not even a break, so a bunch of green candles. So we had 18 continuous green candles in a row in Mullen after we saw the split. So at around 3:25 p.m. we saw a huge increase. Starting from here, we saw a massive incline in price. So we went from around $7.14 all the way up to the high of $18.85. So as you can see, this was just today. We hit these massive amounts just today, and we have had a little bit of retracement now since we had such massive growth. But this stock is expected to keep running, and people are expecting huge growth for this stock. So we expect a lot more from Mullen, and we will be at a great price in just a couple of years because of the launch of the Mullen Automotive car system and its EV. So we still have hope for that, and we will see what goes on in the upcoming times. So that's it for this video, guys. In this video, we talked about the Mullen Automotive stock and its huge increase after the 1-400 reverse split. So after the split, we have seen the price go insane, and we saw huge increases in price. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up button, and also let us know in the comments down below what type of videos you guys want to see. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.